Hello, my name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge. Surprise, surprise. If you've been watching my channel, you know I have been doing a lot of challenges lately related to home decor and as well as clean with me's. I absolutely love this type of content. So if you're interested in that and you're not currently subscribed, you'll want to hit that subscribe bell because you'll get plenty of that over here on this channel. So today's challenge is hosted by Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Vee over at Saving with Mrs Vee. Now, both of these channels, these ladies do fabulous DIYs that you definitely, if you're interested in that type of content, you will definitely enjoy their channel. So please be sure to stop by their channels after watching this video. Look at their videos, check out a few of them, and hit that subscribe button over there as well. There will also be a playlist that will be in the link, the description box of this video, so that you're going to be able to take a look at all the other creators. This particular collab today that I'm going to be sharing is my spring table decor for 2020. So I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a look at what I've put together. Okay, this is my table. I have used a blue color, kind of like a teal color that I am loving this season. So I've been incorporating that in my home. And so I have these glasses here that really bring in that pop of color as well as the floral with that color. The glasses I picked up at Home Goods. They were, I believe, $7.99. I hauled them in a Home Goods haul not too long ago. I picked up these coasters from Ross. They were $3.99, and I thought they were just the perfect touch with the color. The the plates here that I have are from Salvation Army. I hauled those several weeks back knowing that I wanted to go with this type of a theme for my spring table. The vase in the middle was something that I picked up on clearance from Burlington Coat Factory. It was $4.99. It was during their red tag sale. And everything else I already had. So I basically shopped my home for my chargers. The plates are from Dollar Tree. The bowls I already had. The napkins, I actually picked those up from Home Goods as well. I think it was during the same haul where I got the glasses. So this is the table. This is what it's looking like. I am really, really liking it. And I've shared over the course of the last week or last couple weeks, where I've added this color in my entryway table. So if you've not checked out that video, be sure to check it out. I'll iCard that one in this video, as well as a refresh on my living room where I also incorporated this color. So I am finishing off the theme with my spring tablescape, and I am absolutely loving the colors. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I would like to thank Marilyn and Vee for hosting this. Again, I will be linking their information in the description box below. So please be sure to go over and show them some love, as well as all of the other creators. I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you will hit the subscribe button on my channel, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye, guys.